Harmony for SharePoint is an Outlook sidebar that drives document and social adoption of SharePoint without changing user behavior by providing every business user easy, full-featured access to SharePoint from the convenience of the email client. Now, for the first time, Harmony combines enterprise social interactions with document collaboration and introduces the concept of social documents, a powerful way for typical employees to follow document evolution and reach out to colleagues within the context of the document. For the purpose of this demonstration of Harmony for SharePoint and the concept of social documents, we'll go through a familiar business case, responding to a request for proposal, an RFP. Let's start with a quick overview of my work environment. As you can see within my Outlook window, I have my personal space on the left side, with my emails, my calendar, and so on, and all my personal information. On the right side, you can see my collaborative space, which is Harmony. Harmony brings collaboration to the user in an easy-to-use manner, enabling every business user to take advantage of SharePoint's collaboration capabilities, moving content from the personal space to the collaboration space and vice versa. Users can access multiple SharePoint sites, as you can see from the list, and easily add sites to their Harmony sidebar. Once a site is added, you can easily navigate within the SharePoint site. Harmony makes the navigation easy and intuitive for the user. Let's get started with the business case. I'm a sales manager at Ravenwood Corporation, and I've just received a new RFP, a request for proposal, from one of our prospects, George. I'm going to forward this document to my manager and to the rest of my team members in order to notify them of this new project. As I forward this email with the document attached, Harmony prompts me to upload this attachment to SharePoint and send a document link instead. I select Yes. A window pops up asking me to check in the document. I acknowledge. The attachment is uploaded to SharePoint and the link is sent in its place. As you can see, SharePoint gets adopted because people don't have to change the way they work. Using links instead of attachments promotes collaboration, eliminating document chaos. Harmony improves data security, reducing data leaks because people who are not authorized to see a document can't see it. This prevents inadvertent sending of documents to the wrong people. And who hasn't done that? Let's continue and see how I can easily share content with my team. I start by sharing the entire RFP email. This email contains important business info that may be useful to the team in preparing the RFP response. I drag it from my inbox to the Harmony sidebar, thereby uploading it to SharePoint and making it available to my entire team. I can also share just an attachment, the technical document that I've received from George. Again, I drag it from the attachment to the Harmony sidebar, making it available on SharePoint. As I've been working with George for a while, I also have some documents on my desktop. Harmony enables drag and drop from the desktop. Note that I can select multiple docs and the uploads are completed in the background without disrupting Outlook. Harmony promotes compliance with taxonomy and governance. For example, our legal team has a document library on SharePoint, and when I upload the new GSA rules document to this library, I am required to fill in the security level before I am able to check it in. This is another example of how Harmony simplifies document collaboration for all business users and eliminates document chaos. In addition to simplifying document collaboration, Harmony gives us access to many SharePoint actions, such as authoring documents, updating properties, version history, built-in workflows, etc. Let's go back to the proposal that we need to send to our waiting customer. I already started an initial draft, and I'll send it to my team and ask for their feedback. To do so, I'll send my team an email with a link to the proposal document. A simple drag and drop of the proposal document from Harmony to the email body will insert the link to the document on SharePoint. Sending a link and not an attachment eliminates the need to merge multiple document sets of feedback responses from my team. This way, everybody is working on the same up-to-date document. Let's see how this improves the business process around responding to this RFP. We just sent a link to our proposal response to our team. We now need to know when people are updating the proposal, and I also need to communicate with them, answer questions, or ask them questions about their changes. Typically, this would mean exchanging emails, and lots of them. With Harmony, I can follow a document library or a person and see their updates in real time. Let's follow the RFP project document library. When I add this as a favorite, I have the option to follow this library. Just like you follow people on Twitter or Facebook, Harmony enables following a document library. Look at the red dot. This is a new activity indicator. Looking at the Update Activity stream, we see that June has updated the proposal. If I wasn't using Harmony, I would need to either continuously poll June's profile on SharePoint or nag her with emails, text messages, IMs, or phone calls to get the same updates. Now with Harmony, I don't need to, because with Harmony's update stream, I get live updates of both people activities and document status changes. Here we can see that June has updated a document or that Carl has posted a note on productroadmap.pptx. We can also quickly find all activities related to specific documents and not go through the whole list of updates. For example, searching for the word product will filter the updates within the stream, and it will only display the updates that are relevant to our search term. Going back to June's update, when I click on the document name within it, Harmony navigates directly to the correct SharePoint library location where this document resides and shows me the Social Document Version History. Social Document Version History reveals which colleagues altered each version of a document. SharePoint profiles of these colleagues are presented within the version history. With Harmony, users can immediately see which colleagues have made changes, right in the place where they spend their workday. Email. Many business processes are built around information, not people. While social networking does a great job of connecting people, Harmony goes one step further, connecting people and documents. As we saw before, we can follow documents in Harmony. We can also follow people activities. People activity updates inform other team members of relevant business activities, which reduces the need to keep polling team members for their work status. Following people activities enhances knowledge management and collaboration within organizations. Also, in the same way we filter documents, we can filter people actions. For example, I can see what June is working on. One of the key values of enterprise social networking is finding experts within our organization. Harmony enables us to search for people right from the sidebar. Prior to sending our proposal, we need legal approval. We'll use Harmony's People Search to find a GSA expert in legal. First, we'll search for legal. Then, we refine our search with GSA. Looking at Deborah's profile, we see that part of her skill set is indeed GSA, and so she seems like a great match for this proposal. Also, note, she must be using Harmony and following the legal folder, as we can see from her status that she's reviewing the GSA rules we published earlier. We'll send her an email with a link to the proposal asking her to review and approve it. Since the RFP submission is time-sensitive and I want to let Deborah know that this is urgent, I decided to ping her over IM. I just sent Deborah an email, so my recent view will list her as one of my recent interactions. From here, I can initiate a call, send email, and start an IM session with Deborah. The recent view enables easy access to the people I recently interacted with, via email, chat, etc. These are typically the people who I would like to reach out to later on and most frequently work with, and Harmony provides me with easy access to those colleagues and simplifies the process for me. I send a short IM message asking her to expedite the review and approval. We can also view Deborah's full profile within Harmony or open her My Site page. Since Deborah and I are going to work together on this proposal, I should add her as my colleague and assign her to my RFP proposal group. Again, by connecting people and documents, we drive business value, and by doing it all from within email, we simplify collaboration for all our business users. Harmony also helps build my enterprise social network. Social adoption is a big challenge for enterprises, partially because users struggle to build and manage their social connections. Since Harmony tracks my social interactions, who I send emails to, chat on IM with, and who I collaborate with on documents, it automatically suggests likely colleagues with whom to connect. Using a star rating system, it ranks my most likely colleagues. Now that Deborah has approved the proposal, I can send it out to our customer. Since I am sending a document to someone outside the company who does not have access to our SharePoint server, I need to send an attachment rather than a link. I simply hold the Alt key and drag the document I would like to attach from Harmony to the email message. Simple, done. As you have seen in this short demonstration, Harmony for SharePoint makes documents social by bringing the document and social benefits of SharePoint together in a single window, the email window, where business users already spend their workday. One window, one single context, because with Harmony, we are all on the same page.